Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. Welcome to the new week and as you can see on the screen, आज क्या करेंगे? Today we will start with the revision worksheet of chapter number 2. The picture in the revision worksheet is bit lighter, so I have used this soft copy to make you see this picture properly. So are you ready for today's class? Come on. Chapter number 2, family. This is of revision worksheet, page number 3, right? Chaliye, what is the question? Look at the picture given below and write 7 sentences using different prepositions. Prepositions means जो हमें things की position दिखाता है, right? That we already know, right? Come on, let us have a look on the picture now. Can you see this picture? There are so many things. See, the wall. It is basically a picture of a room. The room is having so many things. If we start with right, there is a cupboard shelf. Shelf के ऊपर there is a teddy bear, paper napkin. Then there is a window. Window is having a small plant. Then pictures of fish and fighter plane is also there. Then there are bookshelves with a photograph. Then there's a teddy bear. Then there's a toy, globe, a box, and a tree is painted on the wall. And if you come down to the floor, there is a ball, there is a toy, and near there is a table which is having pencil stand, papers, pencils, and chairs besides the table. So this is the whole picture. See, beautifully describing the picture. It is generally our bedroom. हमारा bedroom लगभग ऐसा ही होता है. We have a window panel, we have toys, we have table and chairs, we have books, something which is lying on the floor, many a time something which we are keeping here and there. So this is all about. Now what we need to write 7 sentences. अब ये चीज़ तो ऐसी है that आपको आ सकती है. It's not that कि दिशा में हम लिखवाएंगे तो ही आप लिख पाओगे, right? This is something, this I'm showing you this picture so that you can relate this picture to your worksheet and you can write as many as sentences that is required in your worksheet. The lines are missing here. As you can see, there is soft copy. It is, the linings are there, but I think in your worksheet it is misprinted, right? No issues. आप क्या करें? You draw the lines first in that blank page and then write the sentences, right? So let us begin. I'll be speaking and you have to write. Clear? Chal. This is almost the end of 4th standard. You will be coming to 5th standard next year. So अब तक तो verbally dictation आ जाना चाहिए. That means dictation means Disha ma'am speaks or any other ma'am speaks and you are writing, right? Come on. So let us start. First sentence, I would want you to write, the picture has so many things in it, right? Make sure that you are using prepositions in every sentences, right? And you have to underline the preposition also. Chalo, the first one, the picture has so many things in it. You will write the first sentence, the picture has so many things in it. I repeat, the picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture has so many things in it. Now, what is the preposition? The preposition is in. Yes. Chalo. Now, move to the second line. There is a ball at the corner of the room. I repeat the sentence. There is a ball at the corner of the room. Now, these are my sentences. If you want, you can write your choice of sentences also. No issues. I don't have any problem, right? So, what was my sentence? There is a ball at the corner of the room. There is a ball at the corner of the room. Full stop. Next sentence. A plant is on the window. A plant is on the window. Now, second sentence में we forgot to underline the preposition. There is a ball at the corner of the room. So, at and of is the preposition. Third sentence, a plant is on the window. So, there obviously the preposition is on, right? Chairs are, and my fourth sentence is, chairs are, what you can say, chairs are, कौन सा use कर सकते हो? Chairs are beside the table. Chairs are beside the table. Now there, this preposition which I have used is beside. Clear? Okay. Then pencil is on the table. Pencil is on the table. Now what is the preposition? It is on. Clear? Okay. Now next, let us go to the shelves. There is a toy near the books. I repeat the sentence. THERE. There is a toy near the books. So what is the preposition? कहाँ पे है? Near the book. So near becomes the preposition, right? Okay. Now let us talk about the tree which you can see. It is painted on the wall. So you can write, a tree is painted behind, right? वहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि किसके पीछे. It is visualized that the tree is painted behind, right? Okay. Now कुछ और रह गया हो. In. Okay. Let me assume that the glass over here on the table, can you see that? Let us assume that it is having paint brushes. So I would write, there are paint brushes, paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint brushes in the glass, right? Now there, which is the preposition? In. I repeat the sentence. There are paint brushes in the glass. Can you see that? Okay. Okay. Right. So this is the picture. We have already written 8 sentences. Let us make it 10. Near हमने use कर लिया, beside use कर लिया, behind use कर लिया, in, on. Let us go for between. Now can you see that cube, right? So a cube is lying, L-Y-I-N-G, cube. A cube is lying between, किसके between में है वो? Between a toy, or you can write a teddy bear. Here I am writing a toy. Between a toy and tissue box. That is a tissue box. So tissue box or teddy bear or toy के बीच में there is a cube. So you can write, a cube is lying between a toy and tissue box. Clear? Okay. Chalo, these are 9 sentences. Let us finish this 10th one. And for the last sentence, let us use in. Can you speak any sentences regarding in? Now here you have to assume that जो cupboards है उसके अंदर क्या पड़ा होगा. So we would write the answer, clothes are in the cupboard, right? It's not visible, but this is our thinking that clothes are in the cupboard. So which is the preposition over here? It is in. Clear? चलिए, let us see the picture. मैं एक के बाद एक sentence repeat कर रही हूँ. Obviously जो नहीं लिख पा रहे हो, no issues. I am sending the answer key along with this. Clear? चलिए, first one. The picture has so many things in it. There is a ball at the corner of the room. A plant is on the window. Chairs are beside the table. Pencil is on the table. There is a toy near the books. A tree is painted behind. There are paint brushes in the glass. A cube is lying between a toy and tissue box. Clothes are in the cupboard. Clear? चलो, इसके अलावा भी there are so many things. See, you can write a photo frame. You can talk about this 7 ring वाला जो है वो. You can talk about the owl. You can talk about the box which is there at the end. You can talk about the globe. Right? There are so many things. You can talk about these pictures which are there on the wall. The choice is yours. अगर आप चाहें तो ये वाला sentence लिखे. अगर आप चाहें you can write another sentence also. I don't mind. चलिए. Okay. Now go to the next page. Question number 2. Look at the picture given below. Write 2 activities that each of the family member of your family does. Now, can you see the picture? See. Right? Yeah. Let me assume that I am this mother, the one with the frock. Then that's the father. Then there are 2 children. One is a girl, the smaller one. The other one is a boy. You have a family which has grandfather, grandmother, that are your grandparents. Along with that, we have a pet. Actually 2 pets, a dog and a cat. Now, आपको क्या करना है? You have to write 2 activities that each of the family member of your family does. आपकी family में suppose father. So father क्या करते हैं? You have to write 2 activities. My father goes to office, or my father plays with us. Right? So हम क्या करेंगे? First you will write father. 2 sentences about father. What activity does he does? My father goes to the factory, or goes to work, or goes to office, you can write. Right? And one more activity that your father does. Right? Same way you will write mother 2 activities, grandfather 2 activities, grandmother 2 activities. Depends on the family member that you have. Right? You have grandfather, grandparent. If you are not having grandparents, you can just write about your brother and sister and all. Clear? Chali, here this would be your homework. What would be? Ticket and market as HW. This would be your homework. I'll be sending the answer key, but I would want you to write. Clear? Chali. So it depends totally upon the family members which you have. आपके फैमिली में जो है उनके बारे में 2 सेंटेंसेस, 2 एक्टिविटीज़ लिखनी है, उनके बारे में सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिखने. वी हैव रिटन सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस अबाउट आवर फैमिली. Right? Activities are the work that they do. Right? Any which work. चलिए. So this is your homework. There are 10 sentences. But अगर आपकी फैमिली बड़ी है तो आप 11-12 तक भी जा सकते हैं. Now, question number 3. Answer the following questions. Why do you think bees keep buzzing around the flowers? क्या करते हैं वो? आपको क्यों लगता है? What they are doing? I'll tell you what happens. There are 2 reasons why they are buzzing. One is when they want to extract the watery part from the honey. All right. Second, when they are on the flowers, they work as the worker who is taking pollen grains from one flower to another. राइट तो जितने छोटे विंग्स होंगे बीज के उतना ही ज़ोर से वो लोग हमिंग का साउंड करते हैं, उतना ज़ोर से वो अपने विंग्स को हिलाते हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न that they are buzzing. But here I leave the answer up to you. You search it and you write it. Why do you think the bees keep buzzing around the flowers? Maybe ऐसा हो सकता है that they just feel good when they see flowers. That's why they are busy buzzing, right? So try to find out the question by answer by yourselves, and you have to write. Obviously I'll be sending the answer keys, but then would be happy if you write it by yourselves. Come on. Now go to the second one. Name few animal products that you use. Very easy answer. कौन कौन से एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स हम यूज़ करते हैं? बहुत सारे. वी यूज़ मिल्क, वी यूज़ एग, we use belt, bags. It's again animal product. Belts and bags are we get from animals, so they are animal products. Then we use cheese, butter. These are all animal products. Things which we get from animals can be termed as animal products, right? So you have to write that answer. Name few animal products that you use. Any 5 animal products. राइट यू कैन राइट इट. जो प्लांट में से नहीं मिलते हमें, एनिमल में से मिलते हैं, एनिमल्स में से मिलते हैं, दे आर नॉन एज एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके चलो. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 would be your homework, and yes, I'll be sending the answer key. So check your answer and then go for the next chapter, right? Chale. This is all from my side. Till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.